this is flat renovation update day 28. Let's take a look around and see what's been done. So in the bathroom, they've done the grouting between the tiles over there. They still need to finish over here and do the basin and the toilet. And then coming this way, you've got a major change. You'll see over here, they've been working on the drywall. This is going to be a bedroom. So I can take you around this way. Here's the steel. Put some planks there. This will be a doorway through here. It's going to be narrow, but it will work. They're going to fill it up here, and then I'm going to have a window up on top of here. And then they did more of the tiles. I think we've run out of tiles. They still need to do the strip over here. But that's how it's looking.